Frustrated with choppy videos? You're not alone. Let's fix it together. Sometimes the culprit behind choppy video playback is the media player itself. To resolve this, try playing your video in a different media player. Here are a few popular options: VLC Media Player, KM Player, MX Player. If you're encountering choppy video playback, clearing your web browser's cache can often resolve the issue. Here's how to do it. Find the Privacy and Security section. Look for the option to clear browsing data or cache and cookies. Clear the cache and cookies. If your video format is incompatible with your device or media player, converting the video to a compatible format can help choppy playback. Open VLC Media Player. Go to Media and Convert/Save. Add the video file you want to convert. Choose the desired output format and destination. Click Start to begin the conversion process. Outdated device drivers can lead to video playback issues. Here's how to update your device drivers. Open Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. If your video file itself is corrupted, you can try repairing it using a dedicated video repair tool like Remo Video Repair. Download and install Remo Video Repair. Select the corrupted video file. Click the Repair button. If your MP4 file is severely corrupted, the tool will initiate an advanced video repair process using a reference video of the same format. Click the Repair button. Preview the repaired video. And save it to your desired location. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. For more tips on fixing choppy or jerky video playback, click the link in description.